Enagic's water ionizers are extraordinary products, and the 8-point patented compensation structure is just as outstanding. It's a simple direct sales program which pays daily, has no inventory stockings, no volume requirements, no auto ships, no distributor fees, and no hassles. And because it's a direct sales program, Enagic eliminates the middleman. All of the expenses that other programs pay to wholesalers, retailers, and advertising costs, we pay directly to our independent sales agents, and that translates into big potential profits for you. Your earning potential is not based solely on your work efforts alone. Instead, it's also determined by the efforts of your entire team. Even though each person's results will vary, this structure creates an incentive to work hard together and help one another succeed. To understand the program, you need to know just 3 things. First, how you advance in rank. Second, how the Enagic 8-point system works. And third, what those both mean for your earnings. You will see that as you work this plan, it will yield very rewarding results. The compensation structure works the same for all Enagic products, but the point values vary for each product. We'll use our flagship machine, the SD501, to demonstrate our commission structure. The ranks are easy to achieve, and you need very few sales to begin increasing your rank. The higher your rank, the more you can potentially make on each sale. Once you achieve a rank status, that rank will always be retained until your next rank promotion is attained. Here is a simple look at the basic overview of the compensation structure. After you purchase your Kangen water machine, you will become a 1A after you make your very first sale. Your third direct sale advances you to the rank of 2A and doubles your earnings. Remember, you're not just making sales. Due to the excitement created from the SD501's alkaline water health benefits and this compensation plan, it creates a momentum that will in turn excite many of your buyers who will want to share the health and financial benefits with others as well. Now you begin building your team. People simply cannot stay quiet about this. These new customers can now become independent agents of your sales team. As you and your team work together, you will unearth a powerful and supportive system to help you all achieve a higher rank. So there are 2 types of sales that can benefit you in the program. Your own personal sales are called direct sales. Indirect sales are those made by any member of your team. The more sales you and your team make, the more income you make, and the larger your team becomes. For you to advance in rank again, you need an accumulated total of 10 sales, direct or indirect. Then, your very next direct sale qualifies you to advance to rank 3A. Your next advancement comes after an accumulated team total of 20 sales. With your very next direct sale, you advance to 4A status. After an accumulated total of 50 team sales, your next direct sale advances you to 5A. And after an accumulated total of 100 team sales, your very next direct sales advances you to one of the highest paying and attainable levels in the program, 6A. You will be amazed at the rewards and financial benefits of sharing Kangen water with your community and beyond. Let's go back and retrace your steps and look at one way that might work. To understand how much you will be paid, you need to understand the point system. Each machine sale pays out a total of 8 points for commission. This simply means that the person who made the sale gets the same amount of points as the rank they currently are, and then the remaining points move up the line until there are no points left. There are also 4 commission statuses, SP, D1, D0, and FA0. The SP commission status is granted when your direct sale is within 90 days of your last direct sale. Below that is the D1 commission status, where your last direct sale was more than 90 days, but less than 6 months ago, and you do not qualify for the additional SP commission. If you have not made a direct sale in over 6 months, your commission status is D0, and you only receive 50% commission. And if it has been over 2 years since your last direct sale, your commission status is FA0, and you receive no commission. We will use the SP price for each of our examples. Each SP point for the SD501 is $50 and will be added to the standard commission of $235, which equals $285. So each distributor multiplies $285 by the amount of points they earn to calculate their total earnings. So after selling an SD501, A 6A distributor will receive 285 times 6, which equals $1,710. Now that you understand how to advance in rank and how the point system works, let's put it all together to see what it means for your earnings. Let's say you sell your first two machines to John and Stacy in your 1A legs. You would earn $285 on each of those sales. In addition, both John and Stacy each become independent agents on your team, so you also earn $285 on each of their personal sales. Again, we refer to these as team sales. On these two teams, you will continue to earn $285 per sale as long as there is at least 1 point remaining. Now your third direct sale is to Dave. This sale will advance you up to rank 2A, where your profit on that sale doubles to $570, which is 285 times 2. On this team, you will earn $570 on all direct and indirect sales as long as at least 2 points remain after everyone in your downline has been paid their commission first. If only 1 point remains after everyone has been paid before you, you will still earn $285. After 10 team sales, with your next direct sale, you will acquire the rank of 3A. At rank 3A, the real excitement starts. You begin making $855, 285 times 3 per sale as long as 3 points remain, $570 as long as 2 points remain, and $285 when only 1 point remains. Once you reach 20 team sales, with your next direct sale, you receive the rank advancement of 4A and $1,140 per direct sale. This team will consistently generate paychecks of $1,140 for 4 points, $855 for 3 points, $570 for 2 points, and $285 for 1 point. After your 50th combined team sale, your next direct sale will advance you to the rank of 5A. You're paid $1,425 for 5 points, $1,140 for 4 points, $855 for 3 points, $570 for 2 points, and $285 for 1 point. We have now arrived at the top of the normal commission structure. After a total of 100 team sales, your next direct sale will advance you to the rank of 6A. You will collect $1,710 for 6 points, $1,425 for 5 points, $1,140 for 4 points, $855 for 3 points, $570 for 2 points, and $285 for 1 point on every sale you or your team makes. Let's look at one scenario still using the SD501. Remember, each eMagic machine pays out 8 points of commission. You make a direct sale to Ben on your 5A leg, which earns you $1,425. Ben then makes 3 direct sales to advance himself to the rank of 2A. So far, you've made $5,700 from your direct sale to Ben and his 3 sales. One of his customers, Alice, becomes an independent distributor and makes her first direct sale to Emily. As a 1A, Alice will receive 1 point equaling $285 as her commission. This leaves 7 points to be distributed up since eMagic pays their commission points from the bottom to the top. Ben is the next distributor, and he gets 2 points from the sale since he is a 2A. His total commission on Alice's sale is $570. There are now 5 points left for you, and since you are a 5A, you get all of those points. You will receive $1,425 from Alice's sale. This brings your total commission on this team to $7,125. Not too bad for making just 1 direct sale to Ben. Also, once you reach rank 6A, you share in one of the first bonuses in what we call a 6A educational allowance. That means you can still receive compensation even if you're outside of the 8 points paid out for an indirect sale in your downline. If you're the first 6A distributor outside 8 points, you will receive $200. The next 2 6As above you will receive $50 each. And once you have 2 6A independent distributors on your team in 2 different legs, you achieve a 6A2 status. This earns you the opportunity to participate within high earning bonuses such as the group sales monthly incentive and the quarterly incentive. These are just a few examples of the financial enhancements you will find in the eMagic compensation plan. Again, for simplicity, we've only touched on a few of the ways you can earn outstanding money with eNagic. It took over 2.5 years to design this patented style of commission structure, implemented by a company founded in 1974 with a proven product and an incomparable business model. The eNagic compensation structure is the direct sales networking revolution with a large and growing target market. So don't miss out. Get started with eNagic today.